So one of the first questions is, what does the Hubble constant mean? Well, the Hubble constant, denoted by h, is the rate that space expands. And how do cosmologists know that space expands? Well, the reason they know is because it's been observed that light coming to the Earth from distant galaxies has experienced a redshift, which means that the wavelength of the light, when it's observed at the Earth, is longer than when the light left the galaxy. From the observation of that redshift, the theory was developed that space is expanding, and the number that represents the rate of that expansion is the Hubble constant. I also should note now that the Hubble constant actually can change over time, so it's sometimes more correctly referred to as the Hubble parameter. So here's an example to help you understand what it means. Suppose the Hubble constant is 73 kilometers per second per megaparsec, which actually happens to be within the range of currently accepted values. Well, that can be written as 73 kilometers per second, which is a velocity measure, per megaparsec. Now what does that mean? Well, it means that if this is the Earth and this is some object 1 megaparsec away from the Earth, that object will have a recessional velocity of 73 kilometers per second. In other words, that object will be moving away from the Earth at the rate of 73 kilometers per second just because of the expansion of space. And here's the second way of understanding what it means. We can write this as 73 kilometers per megaparsec per second. Now that is a rate of expansion given per second. And it's like an interest rate. Imagine we had an interest rate of 7% per year. Now that means that you're earning 7 cents per dollar every year. So here's a sum of money that's growing over time. In 1 year, if this is $1, it's going to grow to be $1 plus 7 cents. So the same thing happens with space. If this is a distance in space, it grows over time. And if this is 1 second of time, and we started with 1 megaparsec of space, in 1 second, it will have grown to be 1 megaparsec plus 73 kilometers long. And finally, when the Hubble constant is written this way as HO or H0, sometimes people write it that way to mean the value of the Hubble constant for the current epoch or epoch. Other times people mean the Hubble constant, the value of the Hubble constant now. And still other times people write this to represent different values for the Hubble constant at different moments in time. So because of that confusion, I don't use it.